In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Constant Contact. We'll use Zapier to create a simple automation that watches your Gmail and adds new contacts to a specific Constant Contact list with a tag, so your outreach stays organized and hands-free. Start by opening Zapier in your browser. This is the platform that will link your apps together. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll create a new automation called a Zap that connects Gmail and Constant Contact. Zapier will guide you to choose your apps. So select Gmail as the trigger app and Constant Contact as the action app. When prompted, securely connect each account and approve the permissions. This lets Zapier read the relevant Gmail details and send contact data to Constant Contact on your behalf. Next, set the trigger in Gmail. You can choose New Email to capture every incoming message, or New Labeled Email if you want to be more selective. If you prefer control, choose the labeled option and pick an existing Gmail label you already use for leads or signups. Using a label helps you avoid clutter and ensures only the messages you intentionally mark will create contacts. Now define the action in Constant Contact. Choose Add Contact to List. Select the specific list where new contacts should go, such as your newsletter or onboarding list. Then map the fields from Gmail to Constant Contact. Typically, you'll map the sender's email address to the email field and, if available, first name and last name. If the trigger data only includes an email, that's fine. You can enrich the contact later. Make sure duplicate handling is set the way you want. Most setups will simply update an existing contact if it already exists. Add a tag to the contact so you can segment later. In the action settings, choose the tag you want applied to every contact created by this automation. Tags make it easy to filter campaigns, track sources, and keep reporting clean. When everything looks good, turn the automation on. Give your Zap a clear name so you'll recognize it in your list of automations, then toggle it to active. From this point forward, whenever Gmail matches your chosen trigger, either any new email or only the ones with your selected label, Zapier will send the contact information to Constant Contact, place it in the list you picked, and apply the tag automatically. That's it. You've connected Gmail to Constant Contact through Zapier, set a precise trigger, added contacts to the right list, tagged them for segmentation, and switched your automation on for reliable, ongoing workflow.